Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token price pump, price prediction. Now with 5 billion coins of Tectonic token, how much can you really make? This coin is one of the best small cap coins. So many people have actually predicted Tectonic token to massively increase in price very soon. Now for me, Tectonic token is one of the best small cap coin. At the time of recording this, Tectonic token current have just 6 zeros. Now imagine this coin deleting a lot of zeros. Now with 5 billion tokens of Tectonic token, how much can you make and how much you need? Now at the time of recording this, you need about $972 in order to buy 5 billion coins of Tectonic token. Now imagine Tectonic token with this number of coins, this coin deleting just 1 zero, because some people target is 1 zero, some are targeting 2 zeros. Now if Tectonic token goes ahead and deletes 1 zeros, then your money will be worth about $9,700. You're already making over $9,000 profit. This is a lot of profit, okay, just deleting 1 zero. Now if Tectonic token Tonic goes ahead, to kill 2 zeros, then your money will be worth about $96,500. This is a very high return on investment. This is a lot of profit. Putting in $972 and you're getting $96,500, whereby if Tectonic token deletes 2 zeros, which I believe in the next few years to come, you might be seeing Tectonic token deleting more zeros, okay? Now, if this coin goes ahead and deletes just 3 zeros, let's say our target is 3 zeros, then our money will be worth about $980,000, almost $1 million, with an investment of $972. And if Tectonic token goes ahead and deletes 3 zeros in the future, let's say between now to the end of this year, 2024, 2025, or even 2027. So this is one of the best crypto coins, and I hope that Tectonic token will rise to the point where this coin will delete half, 50% of its current zeros. That is taking away 3 zeros. If Tectonic token start trading with just 3 zeros, let's say at the current price of Terra Luna Classic, at the current price of LUNC coin, if Tectonic token hits such price, then you are almost making $1 million with an investment of $972. But remember, please, this is not a financial advice, so please conduct your own research before taking any decision. Now remember, you can buy any amount of coins. You must not invest 900 or want to buy 5 billion. You can buy 1 billion, you can buy 500 million coins, you can buy 100 million coins, you can invest $10, $1, whatever you can afford to lose. This is what you need to invest. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.